你好，我姓金，叫金宇珍，我是美国人，我也韩国人。我学习工商学，认识你们我很高兴。今天我会说东西南北，知道方向很重要。例如，飞机需要知道方向。另一个例子，船需要知道方向。Let's get started. The first word we have here is east, which means dong. There is two words that uses this character: dong, Tokyo, Dongjing, and East Asia, Dongya. There is one radical, which is e, and 5 strokes here. This is how you write dong. Character dong is a simplified version of this character. As you notice, the traditional character has the sun ri and the tree mu. This creates an image of the sun coming up from a tree, as you can see in this picture. Our second character is shi, or west. Words that use this character is thing, or dongxi, and Atlantic Ocean, 大西洋. The radical is the character itself, and there's 6 strokes that you need to do. This is how you write shi. Character shi has a lot of controversies behind the origin of his character. Some say it is a pictogram of a bag or basket barred for finite value. Traditionally, it was explained as a pictogram of a bird settling into its nest on the west side. Some even say that it is a pictogram of a cup used for drinking. Either way, imagining the character shi is easy to do by thinking of it as a bowl. Our next character is south, or nan. 3 words that use this character: Nanjing, which means Nanjing, South Korea, Nanshaoqian, and Vietnam, Yunnan. The radical in here is shi, and there's 9 strokes that you need to do. This is how you write nan. The character nan was originally named as an instrument and dance. Their character itself resembles a bell-shaped instrument that could be hung by a button in the top, as you can see in the screen. However, historians had trouble finding how it related to south. Some proposed that nan was a pictogram of a house, since in some regions houses were built to face south in order to be against the cold wind from the north. Finally, our last word is north, which is bei. 2 words that uses bei is Beijing and Beishaoxian, which means Beijing and North Korea respectively. There's a radical b in here, and there's 5 strokes that you need to do. This is how you write bei. Originally, bei was a pictogram of 2 persons who are back to back. This meant disagreement against or go in opposite direction. Due to constant confusion, a new character, bei, was created to mean disagreement against and go on opposite direction, as you can see in the picture here. And bei was changed to mean north. So that is all for today. Some closing comments. These 4 characters are very important characters, not only to show direction, but also to describe countries or places based on their geographical location. Another point here is that the origin of a Hansi character can be in dispute, even though it may seem simple. Thank you so much for listening.